Creating a small stand for the plants without any cost. So that is the topic today. Watch until the end so that you will see how I create this stand for the plants in my garden. You can easily make a pot stand in your garden using these old tiles. So here I am using one type of tile which is left from the construction work, and here also another tile. So now this is bit damaged, so I am using the other side, and you need each of these vases I have kept here to balance this tile. They are made out of clay, and each of them are equal sizes so that this is well balanced. So now I'm going to wash and clean the tile before I place all the plants. Here same. Now all these tiles are on top of bricks. I have used here 2 bricks, and here also some clay pots and bricks. So with the use of them only I am creating this stand. So watch until the end. So now to the first layer of the stand I am going to keep all my tall plants. So the first is the bamboo plant, and I will be keeping aglaonema. So here black pot, and this is a brown color one, and also I'm going to keep another aglaonema plant here. So that is the top part of the stand. On the second one I will be keeping this kalanchoe plant. There's another one, and also this Gebras plant I'm going to keep here, and here's another pot, and I'm going to keep all my spider plants here. So now as you can see, all the bigger pots are there, and I will make shade loving plants here. The spider plants normally do love the semi shade, so in between the plants I'm going to keep the spider plants. That looks much better. Okay, so this is how the arrangement. So the second layer here I have some spider plants, and after that I'm going to keep a marble queen pothos, that also semi shade loving plant. So now the final arrangement is here. So as you can see, you can easily use these tiles, and the benefit of keeping these plants on top of a stand is when it rains, the rainwater will not come inside easily, and also when it is on a height, the mud that won't accumulate the pots. So this is how I create a small stand. So adding small plants, small tubs in between is the trick. So there is a added beauty, because here I have kept a Fittonia plant and even spider plants, another Fittonia in different sizes of pots. So as you can see, when you balance it, the taller ones in the back, and gradually creepers and other plants on the space that is available. So this is how I made it. You also can do something without any cost and think creatively. So this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed watching this DIY plant stand, and if you are new, consider subscribing, and do not forget to like and share this with your friends.